Hello, welcome back to another video. Today's video will be more of a vlog of me showcasing my journey to trying to fix my headphones. So basically what I have tried to do is buy the necessary parts needed and design the part of the headphone that needs fixing. If this is your first time here, or second, or whenever time, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below, and also click the notification button. Here, as you can see, I am getting rid of the red filament and inserting the new filament, which is black color. But you can also see it buckles up, and it took me forever to figure out. And thankfully, I had a technician that was able to tell me that this wasn't the right material for the machine. And lo and behold, it wasn't the right material. And so you just make sure that when you're purchasing the new material for the 3D printer, that all the specs check off. And here's a picture of the old and my new filament. And towards the end of the video, you'll see a little bit of it printing. Here I started off designing the part using calipers as well as a piece of paper to figure out the dimensions of the part the best that I can, even though it's pretty much broken. So here we translate it to the 3D modeling on Fusion 360 CAD software. In the next video, I will showcase whether or not the headphones part fits. In the description box below, you will find a beginner's engineer toolkit where you can start practicing product development. Also, if you're interested in a collaboration or additional services that I offer, please click and fill out the form below.